Life una causes of sugar. Bàbá ti ṣe lórí èmo máa dé bẹ̀.
Small lion.
Ọ̀gá mi, mo ti ń bọ̀.
Because na make I tell you one joke. Na yesterday I go Mustapha place for Bariga. So as I come dey go, na here I come enter Danfo. One woman come sit down for beside me like this. She carry one small pikin. Na so we come dey go. We don reach chemist bus stop. Ṣé chemist bus stop? Na him one lizard just fall for the front of our Danfo. The small pikin come ask the mama say, what is opposite of lizard? Ask me say wetin the mama talk. Na that one kill me pass. The woman say gizzard. Why you laugh?
Wetin funny for you?
Top joke. If they born you well, make I no laugh.
Ọ̀gá leave me job because oyinbo say wọ́n ẹ̀ die joke you dey die jing thank you.
Ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rìndínlógún 16 years.